Morning, parents, teachers, and students. Did you know about digital citizenship?
We have 9 elements of digital citizenship. What is digital citizenship?
A person who develops the skill and knowledge to effectively use the internet and digital technology.
Example, a person using information technology in order to engage in society, politics, and government. Digital access. Although we live in a digital area, not everyone has access to technology. As teachers and students, we should be aware of the digital divide.
Not all students can afford a computer, a smartphone, and internet access. That's why educators need to provide different ways for each student's needs.
Thank you.
Digital commerce enables people to purchase
goods and food online.
Digital communication is very common. Many people use it. Sometimes people forget that they are in a digital world and will bully other people, but in real life they won't.
Digital etiquette is the electronic standards of conduct or procedure. The proper behavior that is used when using technology devices or interacting with others are: treat people the way you want to be treated, keep your messages or texts truthful and positive, keep your own and friends' personal things off the internet, and stay away from digital drama.
Without good digital ground rules in place, misunderstanding, misinterpretation, and miscommunication can take root across the organization. Embedding strong digital etiquette of heart will help nurture an environment where people feel valued, respected, and visible.
Digital literacy
By Lene Sola.
and Lebone Moloi.
What is digital literacy?
It refers to the knowledge, skill, and attitude that allows children to be both safe and empowered in an increasingly digital world.
It teaches kids to be protected from cyberbullying and other online dangers. And
It teaches you to understand how to use
web browsers,
search engine,
video creation,
emails,
PowerPoint.
and
What
more.
is digital law? Digital law is the electric responsibility for actions and deeds that you do online, which is either ethical or unethical. Unethical uses manifests itself in form of theft and crime.
The different types of laws: no bullying online, no cyberbullying people, no hacking people, and lots more.
Digital rights and responsibilities. Digital rights and responsibilities means that you have the right and freedom to use all types of digital technology, while also using it in a respectful and appropriate manner.
Here are some examples of rights and responsibilities. Rights. We have the right to privacy, we have the right of freedom of expression, and we have the right to cite our resources.
Responsibilities. You have the responsibility to report bullying, harassing, and identity theft. You have the responsibility to cite your sources, and you have the responsibility to download music, videos, and other materials legally.
Security. Privacy relates to any personal information, while security relates to how you protect it. You can put a good password and you can click the privacy and security icon on any social media app to make sure your account is safe.
Literacy means a person's skill to find, access, and form clear information through typing, writing, and tapping. For example, multimedia videos, video calling, and through others too. On digital platforms, which must have a basic level of computer competency. That
Digital literacy also means to have the skill to live in a society with internet and even learn and work in a society of communication, where also communication access to social medias and mobile devices.
A few skills of digital literacy is understanding how to use web browsers, search engines, email, text, wiki, blogs, video creations, or etc. to show learning. To also assess online resources for accurate info and using online classes. Thank you.